Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fill a shape with color in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your design in Canva and make sure you're working on the project where you'd like to change the shape color. Once your design loads, you're ready to begin customizing. Now click on the shape in your design that you want to fill with color. This will select it and activate the editing options. You'll notice that once the shape is selected, a toolbar appears at the top of your screen with various editing controls specifically for that shape. Next, look at the top toolbar and find the shape's color tile. This typically appears as a small colored square or circle that matches the current color of your shape. Go ahead and click on this color tile. This action will open up the Colors panel, giving you access to all the color customization options available in Canva. From here, you'll see the Colors panel appear with various color options to choose from. Browse through the suggested colors and select one that fits your design vision. Canva organizes these colors in a way that makes it easy to find shades that complement your overall design theme, so take a moment to explore the options. If none of the preset colors quite match what you're looking for, you have the option to create a custom color. Click on Add a New Color or look for the plus button within the Colors panel. This opens up more advanced color selection tools that give you complete control over the exact shade you want to use. Once you're in the Custom Color section, you can type a hex color code directly if you have a specific color in mind. Hex codes are 6-character codes that represent precise colors, and they're perfect when you need to match brand colors or maintain consistency across multiple designs. Alternatively, you can select from colors that Canva suggests based on your design theme. The platform intelligently analyzes your project and recommends colors that work well with the other elements you've already used, making it easier to maintain visual harmony. After you've chosen your desired color, click outside the shape or anywhere on the canvas to close the color panel. This allows you to view the final result and see how the new color looks within the context of your entire design.